Hello student. Last lecture we discussed about hire purchase and installment basic concepts. Okay. Today I will explain you hire purchase system meaning, definition and agreement or contract. Hire purchase system is one whereby the owner of the goods lets them hire for periodic payments by the hirer upon an agreement that when a certain number of payments have been completed, the absolute property in the goods will pass to their hire, but so that the hirer may return the goods at any time without any obligation to pay any balance of rent accruing after return until the conditions have been fulfilled. The property remains in the hands of the owner. ओके, हायर परचेस सिस्टम मीन्स हमने देखा था कि व्हाट इज़ एग्जैक्ट हायर सिस्टम. हायर परचेस सिस्टम मीन्स द परचेस एक्वायर द possession of the goods immediately and agree to pay the total higher purchase price in the installment. Okay, means each installment treated as a higher charge until the payment of the last installment when ownership of goods passes from the seller to the purchaser. In case the purchaser makes any default in the payment of any installment, the seller will have a right to repossession those goods from the purchaser and for feature of the amount already received from purchaser, treating it as a higher charge. Okay, and higher purchase agreement means what? The a higher purchase agreement means agreement under which goods are let on hire and under which the hirer has an option to purchase them in accordance with the terms of the agreement and includes the agreement. Means possession of goods is delivered by the owner thereof to a person on condition that such a person pays the agreed amount in periodical installments, and the property in the goods is to pass to such a person on the payment of the last installment, and such a person has a right to terminate the agreement at any time before the property so passes. Then hire purchase contract means the hire purchase contract means where goods are purchased or sold with the stipulation that the delivery of goods will be given by the owner of the goods to the hire purchaser. Then the payment will be made by installments and ownership of the goods passes to the hire purchaser only on payment of all the installments in stipulated period of time. And then in case the purchaser makes any default in the payment of any installment, the seller will have a right to repossess or repossession the goods from the hire purchaser and adjust the money paid by the hire purchaser against the higher charges for use of goods. Then the hire purchaser has the right to terminate the agreement at any time before the last installment is paid. Under hire purchase system, by simply returning the goods taken on hire purchase, hire vendor retains the ownership with him till the last installment is paid. The hire purchaser does not get the ownership, but he gets the right to use the goods, and the purchaser gets the facility of paying the total amount in installments. The total payment to be made by the purchaser in the case of purchase of goods under hire purchase is more than the payment that he will have to make in case he purchased the goods for cash. Means this is because of the fact that higher purchase price includes some interest besides the cash price. Okay, means higher purchase system is beneficial to both the parties, not only buyer or not only purchaser, but this system is also this system beneficial to both the parties. The buyer gets the possession of goods immediately and uses the goods and pays for it out of his income in every installment. The seller also can increase his scale. The seller gets right to take back the possession of goods. If any default is made by the buyer in payment of installments, the buyer may pay certain amount of money at the time of signing the agreement. It is known as down payment or essential payment. Okay, the remaining amount may be paid in installments, monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. And then the purchaser acquire the possession of goods immediately and agree to pay the total higher purchase price in installments. Each installment is treated as higher charges until the payment of the last installment. Okay, and when ownership of goods passes from the seller to the purchaser, in case the purchaser makes any default in the payment of any installments, the seller will have a right to possession these goods from the purchaser, and the amount already received from purchaser treating it as a higher charge. Section 4 of the Higher Purchase Act 1972. हायर परचेस एक्ट कौन सा है 1972. सेक्शन 4 में क्या दिया है, एवरी हायर परचेस एग्रीमेंट मस्ट स्टेट, मीन्स पॉइंट दिए हैं कि जो जब भी हम हायर परचेस के सिस्टम के एग्रीमेंट बनाते हैं तो उसके लिए कौन से रूल्स अप्लाई करने हैं और कैसे करना है, वो सेक्शन 4 में मेंशन किया है. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ the higher purchase price of the goods to which the agreement relates. Second point is the cash price of the goods, for example the price at which the goods may be purchased by the hirer for cash. Then third one is the date on which the agreement shall be deemed to have commenced. Then the number of installments by which the higher purchase price is to be paid, the amount of each of those installments, and the date or the mode of determining the date upon which it is payable, and the person to whom and the place where it is payable, and the goods to which the agreement relates, the manner sufficient to identify them. Then legal provision in connection with hire purchase agreement means क्या है लीगल प्रोविजन. हायर परचेस सिस्टम एक्ट 1972 जो है उसमें इम्प्लीमेंट किया है कि लीगल प्रोविज़न जो है इन कनेक्शन विथ हायर परचेस एग्रीमेंट, वो सब डिटेल्स रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन हायर परचेस एक्ट 1972 में दिया है. इन इंडिया द हायर परचेस transactions are governed by the Higher Purchase Act 1972. The act apply to the whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It has come into force with effect from 1st September 1973. The Higher Purchase Act 1972 defines the hire purchase agreement as an agreement under which goods are let on hire, under which the hire has an option to purchase them in accordance with the terms of the agreement and includes the agreement under which. First point is the possession of goods is delivered by the owner thereof to a person on condition that such a person pays the agreed amount in periodical installments. Then the property, that is the ownership in the goods, is to pass to such a person on the payment of the last installment, and such a person has a right to terminate the agreement at any time before the property so passes. And then next point is rights of the, क्या राइट है मतलब जो हायर परचेस सिस्टम जो है उसके राइट्स, द फॉल मीन्स द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट जो है वो है उसमें क्या है, इन द एक्ट इन एडिशन टू यूजुअल राइट्स, दैट इज रिटर्निंग द गुड्स टू द वेंडर. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज the seller is required to give notice in writing to terminate the hire purchase agreement, and if there is a default in the payment of hire or due to unauthorized act or breach of expressed conditions. And the next point is the right to possession or repossess the goods will not exist unless sanctioned by the court in certain cases. Then the hire has the right of receiving statement from the vendor. Next point is if the amount paid by the hirer exceeds the total hire purchase price, the excess payment made by him will be returned back by the vendor. Then terms used in hire purchase agreement है. इससे पहले मैं फिर से एक बार आपको डिफरेंस बताती हूँ. बेसिक डिफरेंस जो है हायर परचेस और इंस्टॉलमेंट सिस्टम हम बाद में देखेंगे, लेकिन बेसिक जो कंसेप्ट है वो बताती हूँ ताकि आपको क्या होगा, जो टर्म्स और कंडीशन है वो लर्न करने में आसानी होगी. तो फर्स्ट हायर परचेस सिस्टम एक्ट जो है वो 1972 को पास हुआ था. एंड इंस्टॉलमेंट एक्ट जो है सेल ऑफ गुड्स एक्ट, इंस्टॉलमेंट सिस्टम मीन्स उसका जो एक्ट था गुड सेल ऑफ गुड्स एक्ट वो 1930 को इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ था. देन हायर परचेस सिस्टम जो है इट इज़ एन एग्रीमेंट ऑफ हायरिंग है, एंड इंस्टॉलमेंट सिस्टम जो है वो एग्रीमेंट ऑफ सेल है, मतलब इट इज़ एन एग्रीमेंट ऑफ सेल. देन in hire purchase system the title to goods passes on payment of last installment है, and in installment system the title to goods passes immediately as in the case of usual sale. Okay. Then in hire purchase system the parties involved are called hirer and hire vendor है, and in installment system the parties involved are called buyer and seller. Then in hire purchase system the relationship between hirer and hire vendor is that of bailee and bailer, and in installment system the relationship between the buyer and seller is that of debtor and creditor till the last installment is paid. Okay. And then component अदर देन कैश प्राइस जो है उसमें क्या है, Component other than cash price included in installment is called higher charges, and the component other than cash price included in installment is called interest. The hirer may return goods without further payment except for accrued installment, and unless seller defaults, goods are not returnable. तो डिफ़ॉल्ट होता है कि इंस्टॉलमेंट सिस्टम में. ओके, तो ये बेसिक डिफरेंस है. और एक दो पॉइंट है उसमें. सेलर्स राइट टू रीपोजेस में क्या होता है इन हायर परचेस सिस्टम. द सेलर में टेक पोजेशन ऑफ द गुड्स इफ हायर इज इन डिफ़ॉल्ट. ओके, and in the installment system the seller can use for price. If the buyer is in default, he cannot take possession of the goods. Okay, and installment is treated as a higher charges, and installment is treated as a repayment of the principal amount together with interest. In installment system, the buyer is responsible for risk of loss of goods because the ownership has transferred. But in hire purchase system, hirer is not responsible for risk of loss of goods if he has taken reasonable precautions because the ownership has not yet transferred. Okay, and most important point is right to dispose of. Means in a hire purchase system, hirer cannot hire, outsell, pledge or assign entitling transferee or to retain possession against the hire vendor. And in installment system, the buyer may dispose of the goods and give good title to the bona fide purchaser. Okay, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर हम टर्म्स यूज्ड इन हायर परचेस एग्रीमेंट देखेंगे, एंड अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट एंड जर्नल एंट्रीज इन द बुक्स ऑफ परचेजर. ओके, उसके बाद जो एंट्रीज है उसके भी मैं स्क्रीनशॉट आपको दिखा दूंगी. देन ऑपरेटिंग लीज जो है वो है. ऑपरेटिंग लीज के बाद आई थिंक रॉयल्टी स्टार्ट हुई. ओके, चलो, थैंक यू.